Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If your Hisense TV is flashing a red light and you're not sure how to fix it, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk through the common causes and step-by-step solutions to get your TV working again. Let's dive in. Step 1. Power cycle the TV. First up, let's try a simple power cycle. Unplug your TV from the wall socket and leave it disconnected for at least 10 minutes. This helps reset the internal components. After waiting, plug it back in and turn it on. Did that fix the issue? Great. If not, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Check the power supply. A flashing red light could indicate a power issue. Check the power cord for any visible damage and ensure it's firmly connected to both the TV and the outlet. Also, test the outlet by plugging in another device to make sure it's working. Step 3. Inspect the remote control. Sometimes the issue isn't the TV, but the remote. Remove the batteries from your remote and press the power button for 10 seconds to drain any residual power. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and try turning on the TV. Step 4. Check for overheating. Is your TV placed in a tight space with poor ventilation? Overheating can cause the red light to flash. Make sure the TV has enough space around it for proper airflow. Turn it off, let it cool down for 30 minutes, and try powering it on again. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If the issue persists, a factory reset might help. For TVs with a reset button, press and hold it for about 20 seconds until the TV restarts. Alternatively, use the on-screen menu to navigate to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. Just remember, this will erase your settings, so proceed with caution. Step 6. Contact Hisense support. If none of these steps work, the flashing red light might indicate a hardware issue. It's time to contact Hisense support for further assistance. They can guide you or arrange for a repair if needed. Conclusion. And there you have it, several ways to fix a Hisense TV with a flashing red light. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips. Got any other issues with your TV? Drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.